Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed these 5 identities. Today we are going to discuss identity 6, 7 and 8 and some example questions also. Identity 6. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Identity 7. A minus B whole cube is equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Identity 8. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Let us check some example questions. Question 1. Write the following cube in the expanded form. The expression is 3A plus 4B whole cube. Let us check the solution. Here we can use the identity 6. A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Comparing the given expression with the A plus B whole cube, we find that A is equal to 3A and B is equal to 4B. Therefore, 3A plus 4B the whole cube is equal to A cube. A is 3A, so 3A the whole cube plus B cube. B is 4B, so 4B the whole cube plus 3A square B. So plus 3A square B means 3 into A square into B. So 3 into A is 3A. So 3A square means 3A the whole square into B. B is 4B. Plus 3AB square plus 3 into A. A is 3A into B square. B is 4B. So 4B the whole square. By solving this, we get 3A whole cube means 3 cube into A cube. So 3A the whole cube is equal to 27A cube plus 4B whole cube means 4 cube into B cube. 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 which is equal to 64. So 4B the whole cube is equal to 64B cube plus 3 into 3A whole square is equal to 9A square into 4B plus 3 into 3A into 4B whole square is equal to 16B square. Next step, 27A cube plus 64B cube plus 3 into 9 into 4 is equal to 108. A square into B is A square B plus 3 into 3 into 16 is equal to 144. A into B square is AB square. Therefore, 3A plus 4B the whole cube is equal to 27A cube plus 64B cube plus 108A square B plus 144AB square. Second question. Evaluate 98 whole cube using suitable identity. So here we need to find the value of 98 whole cube by using identities. Let us check the solution. We have 98 whole cube. We can split it as 100 minus 2 whole cube because 100 minus 2 is 98. So children, think the identities in your mind and split the numbers correctly. Now here we can use the identity 7. A minus B whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. By comparing 100 minus 2 whole cube with a minus b whole cube, we can find that a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 2. Therefore, 100 minus 2 whole cube is equal to a cube. So, a is 100. A cube is 100 cube minus b cube. B is 2. So, 2 cube minus 3a square b. So, 3 into a is 100. So, a square means 100 square into b. B is 2 plus 3ab square. So, 3 into a is 100 into b is 2. So, b square is 2 square. By solving this, we get 100 cube is 10 lakh minus 2 cube is 8 minus 3 into 100 square. 100 square is 10,000 into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square is 4. Next step, 10 lakh minus 8 minus 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. 30,000 into 2 is 60,000 plus 3 into 100 is 300. 300 into 4 is 1,200. Next step, 10 lakh minus 8 is 9,99,992 minus 60,000 plus 1,200. 9,99,992 minus 60,000 is 9,39,992 plus 1,200, which is equal to 9,41,192. Therefore, 98 whole cube is equal to 9,41,192. Third question, factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Here we need to find the factors of the given expression. So we need to identify the given expression is the expanded form of which identity. It gives us the factors. Let us check the solution. We have the expression 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Here you can see that 8x cube is equal to 2x whole cube because 2 cube is equal to 8. 27y cube is equal to 3y whole cube because 3 cube is equal to 27. Consider 2x whole cube as a cube and 3y whole cube as b cube. So take a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. Thus the first two terms are like identity 6. So we can split 36x square y as. Now we have a cube and b cube. Next we need 3a square b. So 36x square y is equal to 3 into 2x the whole square into 3y. And next we need 3ab square. So 54xy square is equal to 3 into 2x into 3y the whole square. So the given expression can be written as, instead of 8x cube, we can write 2x the whole cube plus instead of 27y cube, we can write 3y whole cube plus 36x square y as 3 into 2x whole square into 3y, 54xy square as 3 into 2x into 3y whole square. Now it is like a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, which is equal to 2x plus 3y whole cube. 2x plus 3y whole cube is equal to 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y. Therefore, the factors of the given expression are 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y. Fourth question, factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Solution, we have the expression 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here we have 3 terms with the power 3 and 1 product term. So the expression is like identity 8. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we need a, b and c. Here you can see that 8x cube is equal to 2x whole cube. And y cube is equal to y whole cube. And 27z cube is equal to 3z whole cube. And 18xyz is equal to, we need the form 3abc. So 18xyz is equal to 3 into 2x into y into 3z. If you multiply this, you get 18xyz itself. Therefore, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz is equal to 2x whole cube plus y whole cube plus 3z whole cube minus 3 into 2x into y into 3z. Identity 8 is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we have a is equal to 2x, b is equal to y and c is equal to 3z. Therefore, 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz is equal to, substitute the values a, b and c in the expanded form of identity 8. In the expanded form, first we have a plus b plus c. So, a is 2x plus b is y plus c is 3z into a square 2x whole square plus b square y whole square plus c square 3z whole square minus ab minus a into b minus bc y into c is 3z minus ca. C is 3z into a is 2x, which is equal to 2x plus y plus 3z into 2x whole square is 4x square plus y whole square is y square plus 3z whole square is 9z square minus 2 into x into y is 2xy minus y into 3z is minus 3yz minus 3z into 2x is minus 6zx. Some more algebraic identities. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So children, the chapter polynomials is completed. Understand and study all identities. The next chapter will be start in the next class. Thank you.